So if you've been waiting for a new iPad with thin bezels and Touch ID, today was not a good day for you. But if you're waiting for a lower cost iPad with last gen's processor, you might be pretty happy. Today at an educational event in Chicago, Apple unveiled what they're calling just a new iPad, not iPad Pro. It's a 9.7-inch tablet that looks like a regular iPad with the Touch ID sensor right in the middle and giant bezels galore. Aside from the 9.7-inch screen, you're also going to get an 8-megapixel rear camera, a FaceTime HD camera. It's the A10 Fusion powering this guy. That was the same chip that was in the iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus. Up to 10 hours of battery life. Should be able to keep going and going and going. It's going to weigh 1 pound, which sounds light when you consider that the 10.5-inch iPad Pro weighs 1.03 pounds. You realize it's not that light. Colors are pretty typical as well. It's silver, space gray, and gold. Storage is a little on the smaller side, about 32 gigabytes. And the big one here is price. What would you think would be the killer price point? For me, under $200 for consumers would be pretty awesome. Apple priced it at $329 for consumers, $459 for cellular. If your schools are looking to buy these things, it's gonna be $299. The good news though, they're available today, shipping this week. But the bad news, no smart keyboard connector. So we've been lovingly eyeing Apple's keyboard cases. You are a bit out of luck, which seems weird because you probably want to do a lot of typing on this thing. But of course, Bluetooth keyboards will work as well. Apple is sweetening the deal a little bit though, giving free 200 gigabytes of cloud storage. Also kind of an odd announcement, third-party pencils, because the new iPad does support the Apple Pencil. Of course, Apple's happy to sell you theirs for $99, but they announced a Logitech Crayon for $49. So half price, you're getting Apple Pencil support. It looks like computer labs are getting way more advanced. When I was in school, it was all Apple IIe's and Apple IIc's. Pretty awesome, and iPads are taking over. A lot of things they can do, augmented reality, a lot of support for teachers to monitor what kids are doing. You can do a lot with a tablet. But at that price point, you can also do a lot with Chromebooks. Whether or not schools decide to go Apple ecosystem, go for less expensive Chromebooks, and the onslaught of Chromebook tablets that are coming, it's gonna be pretty interesting. But again, these are available to consumers. They're available today. Is it enough for you to go out and pick one up? Are you waiting in line? I'm legitimately curious if this price point is killer for you. The lowest price iPad Pro is about $650, so half price, you are still getting a really nice iPad. I want to know what you guys are going to do, and again, if you want to see us review one, let us know in the comments down below. Till next time, I'm John Renger from Tech in Buffalo.
What's a computer?